Hello guys, it's merienda time. Ito po is kakatapos lang lutuin ang aming japchae. So yan, wala tayong ano dito, carrots, tapos yung itim na mushroom, yun lang kulang natin dyan. Then yung egg, habol na lang, nandurot pa, nakasalang pa yung egg. Sarap niyan guys. Yung sauce nito is yung nabili ko na lang din sa Korean Mart, yung nakatimpla na siya. Then sesame oil, gisa-gisa nyo lang yun guys. Hindi ko lang napakita isa-isa. Ayan. Pero madali lang po yung lutuin. Ayan, sasabayan natin yan ng juice, syempre canola, at meron tayong bread dyan. Ayan, sliced bread. So ito na yung with egg. Ayan na siya guys, with egg. It's time to merienda na po guys. Let's eat na po tayo. Thanks for watching. Don't skip the ads. Pa-comment naman.